More than 1,000 rank-and-file police personnel did not report for work today as they continue to press the government for an improved wage offer. The cops called in sick days after a meeting between representatives of the Police Federation and the Finance Ministry ended in a stalemate. Contingency plans throughout the country remain in place as Jamaicans prepare for the Christmas holiday. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis was in the downtown Kingston Market District and filed this report.
This is downtown Kingston, the busiest shopping district in Jamaica. Shoppers and merchants were out in their thousands today.
We are spend and watch the money because January will come. I know that's a tough month.
Things is going pretty good. It's could be a little more busier.
That aside, most persons had one primary concern: security.
There's a lot of people out there scared right now. Myself too is kind of scared, you know. I'm on the road, but I got to, take extra precaution and, give an extra eye out, Right, but we need the security force back and they need to step up the security thing.
Well, I feel threatened and scared because when the police are on the road, I get that much security that I won't be armed or anything like that.
Well, I feel scared because at a time like this, a lot of police should be, yes, break down like certain things like violence.
The concern was the same from the vendors and store managers we spoke with.
Come back on the street because we really need you. As much as sometimes we the vendors come like we don't need you, but we do. Because when you are here, we feel safe.
At this time of the year, it's pretty busy, and a lot of people feel much safer having their presence around.
We did observe a number of police officers present, but it was evident that the Sickout had an impact on operations. However, commanding officer in charge of the Kingston Central Police, Superintendent Robert Gordon, insisted that contingencies have been put in place and are working.
It is always a challenge. Demand always outstrips supply, and we will never have enough personnel per se to treat with everything as we want it to. But as trained persons, we would have strategized, and as I indicated before, the strategy is working.
While noting that police will be placed at strategic points across the shopping district, he said persons should be extra vigilant, especially at nights, as thieves lurk in and about the area.
If you have your phone, for instance, even if you're in a car, ensure that the window is wind up, doors locked if you're going to talk on the phone, because if your window is down and you're on the phone, it's a easy grab and run.
He also had this advice for persons.
Walk in twos and threes. Look, spot where you see your law enforcement or security persons on the ground, just in case you might need to call upon them. And valuables, chain, etc., you don't need to take them downtown.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.